which can, with the value addition, could be used for the green projects or renewable energies. For example, the production of the solar plate, so on and so forth. So these are all areas which deserves attention and which deserves a clear planning phase. And along with that, we need and we seek global coordination on that, global cooperation on that. And we are trying to stimulate this discourse wherever we can, and stimulate this discourse at the regional level, at the global level, at domestic level, that there are more people who are savvy in terms of policy makers and the general public at large, that this is an area which deserves utmost attention, even becoming part of our political manifestos of different political parties, which I don't see happening right now. It should be a priority point of discussion into our intelligentsia, into media and other areas. It is seeking attention, it is taking prominence, but the growth is quite slow. I would love to see it more happening and frequently happening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, audience, for your participation. This brings us to the end of the special session of the Margala Dialogue. Now I would request you all to proceed for lunch that is being organized in the marquee next to the hall. Thank you.
जी, पॉलिसी रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट के ज़ेर-ए-तमाम मार्गला डायलॉग की तकरीब हुई है, जिससे निगरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म अनवारुल हक काकर ने खिताब